Hi, I'm Charlie Cullen, International Artistic Director for Toni&Guy and LABEL.M, and also Head of Men's Education. And we're here today on a 2018-19 LABEL.M campaign. So my model's hair today was sort of medium density, but it had obviously been pre-lightened before, so it had quite a nice texture to work with. So to create this look, we started with our shortest point, which was working with a zero very low on the edge of the hairline. We then went through and began to fade up towards a longer length and incorporate a little bit of scissor over comb on the curvature of the heads. Then for product, we used Thickening Tonic from our LABEL.men's range, which was sprayed into the hair whilst wet. We dried through using our hands to create a real textured feeling, and we finished with the LABEL.M matte paste.